Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all guys will be fine. Today in this video, I'm just gonna show you a very basic program of Python in order to just familiar with the Python language, and you will have some kind of familiarity with this language. That what kind of language is this? So I'm just gonna take your only 2 minutes. So let's get to the screen. So here is our VS Code, and I'm gonna give it a name of python.py. Let's just create it. Okay, so the file has been created. Now in this video I'm just gonna show you how to output a very simple hello world program. Okay, so for that purpose you will just have to write print and commas, or you can also say that inverted commas, and hello world, and just now run it. So you can see over here hello world, and here is your first Python program, and now you are becoming a Python programmer. Oh, I don't think so. Also, I write another output, for example, print, mm, just like say AI Math Academy, and just run the Python file. So here you can see that hello world and AI Math Academy. So both of them are just outputted. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you and have a nice day.